Namaste, everyone over there. My name is Krishna. I'm from Nepal. I'm nearly 50 of age, and I have three sisters and wife, two children, mother, and I do agriculture for living. Inside of it, I have a coffee plantation, growing coffee, beekeeping for honey, some chicken, and some animals for meat and milk. About 26 years ago, I met Stephen brother in Nepal during his travel. He is a special member of family, as a friend, like a brother, everything. So friends, from that time he was keep supporting us for difficult time because a farming family background is not in a good shape economically. It was hard to pay for high education, even for medical treatment for the critical condition. So when we are in relation with Stefan, we used to get some support from him. So it makes us much more easier. Because of that, my family members used to get a high education. With that, my sister did a master degree in English subject, and now she's a good teacher. My children are also in a university. Now all is going well. And now I am playing with the nature, means like farming, etc. Those friends who used to support us through Stephen, they must be curious about where does the support goes. It goes for good education, for good purpose. No need to worry about it. If there is some critical health issue in our family, the support also help us to go for treatment, for medical support, and some we use it for reconstruction and rebuilding around in our house. So thank you. Me and my family like to thank you, all of you friends who have a good heart and a helpful hand to support us. Thank you very much, and enjoy the Fishtail Festival party and have a good time. Thank you very much. Enjoy it.
स्टेफन बाबु सन्चै छौ? बाबु नानी सब ठिक छन्? सबै साथीहरू छिमेकमा सबै बाजुगरु सबै आरामै छन्? के छ खबर? नानी बाबु दुलै तिमी के काम गरिछौ? के छ गाउँघरको खबर? आमा बाबाको के छ खबर? दाजुभाइको भन। अब कहिले आउँछौ? अत्यार लाग्छ मलाई, धेरै अत्यार लाग्छ। अब तिमीले आएर बसेको, खाएको, हिँडेको त्यो यादले सताएको छ मलाई।
Yes, while talking, she started to cry, so I had to stop, brother.
Hello, Namaste from Nepal. I'm Yuvraj Atikari from Serachor, and today I'm going to make a sort of video about our family, about the support of Stefan Dai that he is providing us from long time, and today we are going to say thank you to Stefan and with his friends who are supporting us, and today we are here to say thank you through this video. Hello Uniba.
Hello, namaste.
Yes, I'm making video for Stefan Mama
Mama, namaste.
and with his friend. Okay, so sweet. Now I'm going to show the sleeping room of ours. Oh, there are lots of clothing. Yes, this is our sleeping place, and now this is rice, and this is also rice pot. Here is also rice. Rice is our main food that early in the morning and evening we eat. Dal bhat tarkari. And here is also a staircase to get down. So this is our home. Now here is Bharati, and Bharati is going to say thank you to Stefan brother and his friends for the supporting of our family and for us.
Definitely.
Yes.
You all are thankful. We are very indebted in our life and thankful. So much thanks for your support, help in our life, our family. And God always bless you. There is no words to convey our thanks. If I speak more and more, it's less, you know. Thank you so much, all of you. Stefan Dai and the friend of Stefan Dai who supports in our life. I want to say thank you very much.
Hello, Stefan Mama and other mamas. I'm Yuvraj Atikari. Now my grandparents are going to say few words about you. Let's go. So my grandma is going to say few words about you.
नमस्कार छ सबैलाई खुब सम्झना धेरै धेरै सम्झना छ सबै खबर पाम धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ ल यहीँ त खुसी लागेको छ भिडियो बनाएर पठाउँदा सुन्दैन हाम्रो दुःख सुखमा सबै साथ दिएको स्टेफन बाबु नमस्कार छ धेरै धेरै सम्झना छ ल
She's saying like our blessing is with you. Namaste. How are you? We are missing you so much. And how is your family? I'm really happy to send this video to you. You are really kind person. She's saying that now my sister is going to say few words about you.
भयो नमस्ते दाइ सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ अनि परिवार सबैजना सन्चै छन्
नढल्किनु न.
सन्चै हुनु होला भन्ने धेरै धेरै आशा गरेकी छु
Thank you, bye bye.
थ्याङ्क यू बाई बाई
She's saying we are missing you. Namaste. Love, lots of love from Nepal. We are missing your family and you. Wish you to meet you soon. Thank you, she's saying. Now my brother is going to say some words about you. Hi, Mama. How are you? Fine. I miss you very much. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye bye. So they are saying they have already said about you and thank you for your support, love, care and all things. It is big role you play to us. We are grateful for you. And I don't want to make the video long. So bye bye for this time. See you soon as well soon, Mama. Bye. 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 Hello, Stephen Mama and other mamas. I'm Unibadi Kari. I'm going to take short video for you. My grandfather want to say few words for you.
Balam. Hello, my dear Stephen. I want to find you are fine and your family is fine. I am working hard. I am tired. I want to you very rich man and you are happy. You are all happy. I hope to you for money. Yes, very good. You are very smart man, boy. You are very my dear Stephen. You are always happy. I want. You are always happy. I want.